Hey everyone, today I'm going to make geometry a breeze for you in just 3 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of the basics. So, why is geometry important? Well, geometry is everywhere around us, from the design of buildings to the layout of our roads. Understanding geometry helps us make sense of the world. Let's dive right in. Geometry is the branch of mathematics that deals with shapes, sizes, and the properties of space. The first concept we'll tackle is the basic shapes. First up, the triangle. Triangles are three-sided shapes with three angles. They can be classified into different types, like equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. For example, a traffic sign is often an equilateral triangle where all sides and angles are equal. Next, we have the square. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Think of a chessboard or a slice of your favorite cake. Moving on to circles, these are shapes with no sides and a constant radius from the center to any point on the circumference. Picture the wheels on your bike or the face of a clock. Now, let's talk about some fundamental principles. The Pythagorean theorem is a cornerstone of geometry. It states that in a right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Handy for when you need to know the shortest path between 2 points. Another key concept is the area. For a rectangle, the area is simply length times width. If you're ever redecorating your room, this formula helps you figure out how much paint you need. Let's not forget about the volume. For a cube, the volume is side length cubed. This comes in handy when you're packing for a trip and need to know if everything will fit in your suitcase. To wrap things up, remember that geometry isn't just about memorizing formulas, it's about understanding how things fit together in the real world. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy math lessons. And if you're eager to dive deeper, check out the resources linked below. Thanks for watching. Geometry made easy, right?